There is a power in our lives, a power we accept as a given, a power we cannot see, although it is luminous, a power we cannot smell, although it fills our daily lives, a power we cannot hear, yet it connects us all. We ensure that this power is never lost. It all starts in the planning phase with our 3D models. Our brilliant manufacturing process is based on these models, which are designed to meet our customers' individual challenges. During production, every component is already clearly identifiable. Our employees and machines communicate in real time. The data gathered is constantly analyzed. We strive for continuous improvement and innovation. At the heart of this never-ending pursuit is digitalization. Our highly skilled workers constantly receive training to keep up with the latest trends. Seamless communication between people and machines allows us to use lean manufacturing combined with digital tools. We produce gas engines by following our brilliant manufacturing concept. We provide sustainable, reliable, and affordable energy to the world. We are Jenbacher, part of the Innio Group.